Welcome back! If you're new, I'm Bryant, and this channel is a living document of my journey as a filmmaker. So today I will be reviewing some more LED lights that I got from Walmart. IlluminEssence. Oh, I see what they did there. Monster IlluminEssence 2 LED light bulb light kit. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I purchased these bulbs with my own money. Nobody is paying me to say this. I don't get a kickback if you decide to go and buy the same ones. So it's completely up to you what you do. The light bulbs were $19.99 plus tax at Walmart. But don't worry, I can afford it because I did overtime at my day job again. Colored light in a background, so this is very exciting for me. You can just put your finger here, and as I go around, you'll see that it's changing color. Ooh, very pretty. I like this color. I like that color. It's kind of a bluish purple. I like that. For the color rings, there's different presets for lighting situations, which is the 3 panels down here. So you can adjust the colors, you can adjust the speed, and if you have multiple light bulbs, you can control up to 4 light bulbs per remote. It says you can pair up to 4 remotes with up to 30 Monster IlluminEssence LED strips or LED light bulbs. So that's a lot. That's a lot. You can pair 4 remotes with 30 bulbs. I only have 2 bulbs, so I have 1 remote, which I think is going to be plenty for me. I don't even have 30 light bulb outlets in my apartment, so I like just the way it gives, more of an ambiance to the space. I think that if I were to pair that with some of the short films that I want to do, that it would give like more dynamic lighting to what I've been doing. I think is really nice, and honestly, the fact that I've just barely figured this out, I'm late to the game. I get it. I'm late to the game. In conclusion, I do recommend these light bulbs, and my favorite place to have them is the lamp right behind me. So if you're looking for an LED light bulb that you can just swap out one of your fluorescent light bulbs with, I definitely recommend the Monster IlluminEssence bulbs. It was a little bit expensive. I mean, $20 for light bulbs is a lot, but once you consider what they can do and the colors that you can get, and just have like mood lighting for watching TV and stuff, like LED lights can really just elevate your mood. If you come home from work, you've had a stressful day, and then you chill out and just light your space with LED lights, it changes your mood. So for filmmaking purposes, I think it's going to be an A+, but I'll get back to you on that because I haven't made my films yet. But as for lighting in general, just for making your space look nice and be nice, I think these lights are great. That's all for this video, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!